Real ways to make money from home for free online. The first example I'll be showing you has to be YouTube. As with YouTube, you can create a YouTube channel without showing your face or not even using your own voice. As you can see right here, this YouTube channel is an Arsenal, and all they do is simply use pictures from Google, and they use the articles that they get from the latest Arsenal use to create a video. And the second option you could look into is also creating a YouTube channel in the celebrity niche. And again, you do not have to show your face. All you have to do is simply get pictures from Google, and you can get the latest celebrity news, and you can create a video around that. And if you're not comfortable using your own voice, you can also hire someone to do the voiceover. Another option you could look into is becoming an online tutor. There are numerous platforms that you can sign up with to become a tutor. As you can see right here, I'm currently on Campbell, and they pay you a good amount of money per hour, as I think their estimated pay rate is $30 per hour. And all you have to do is be proficient in talking English and have reliable internet, and it would be good if you have a laptop or PC. Another thing you could look into is transcribing. With transcribing, all you'll be doing is converting audio to text. So once you're good on typing, you'll be able to get a good transcribing job, and you can start making money from your home. Another thing you could also look into is freelancing. And which other freelancing website would you consider better than Fiverr to get started? As with Fiverr, you'll be able to sign up to numerous different jobs. You can get into numerous different jobs. Whether you're good on writing or translating, you'll be able to find tasks that you can complete. And also, if you're good at making, for example, thumbnails, you could do that. There are numerous things you can apply for on Fiverr, and more than likely you'll be able to start getting some jobs from home and start making some real money right away. Another thing you could look into, if you like the writing, you could definitely create a website. You can either create a website on which you will sell ad placements, so you will make money from ads being on your blog or website. Another option you could look into, you could sign up to an affiliate program like this website right here. That is an Amazon affiliate, and you could do articles like this. As you can see, the best projector under $500. That is what this website ranks for. And if you should scroll down and see a projector that you like or that you think will suit your needs, and you tap on check price on Amazon, the creator of this website, or the owner of this website, will get a commission. And typically with Amazon, you'll be getting anywhere from 4% upwards for commission for each sale. Another option that you could also look into concerning Amazon, if you should scroll all the way down, once on Amazon.com, you can see that there are numerous ways how you can make money with Amazon. The first option, you could sell products on Amazon by doing Amazon FBA. You can sell apps. You can also become an affiliate, and depending on the country you're living in, you could become a delivery driver for Amazon, or you can start package delivery business. You can also do self-publishing, so you could publish a Kindle book on Amazon. And as you can see here, if I should tap on see more ways to make money with Amazon and go right here, there are numerous options you can look into if you would like to start making money with Amazon. I hope you find this video intriguing and that one of these ideas you definitely think about starting.